Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So AMC, get ready for a great week, guys, ahead. I do believe next week will be hot, very choppy, a lot of volatility, crazy spikes to the upside, crazy pullbacks right back down, and just to run right back up, guys. It's going to be everywhere. Money is going to be flying in. Money is going to be flying out. So you most definitely want to be on the right side of the stick and positioning yourself, guys, and learning how to read these charts and understand what buy points and sell points are. Because like I told you guys on the stock that I just alerted in the previous video, like I say, that's a massive, massive buy signal for that stock in particular. And it definitely just cleared the roof, just cleared the roof at $36.72 on Friday, showing that it's a clear indication for it to run, easily up, 10, 15, $20. Clear indication to go straight back to the 70s. But you already know, guys, how the market is so manipulated, so choppy, all this uncertainty. We're not going to put, that type of price point on it and expect it to go there. I'm just trying to take a piece of the meat of the move. So anyways, though, let's get to what we most definitely, the best of all. That's AMC Entertainment, guys. Like we know, AMC is in that buy zone, guys. A lot of people are loading up. They wishing they had more funds to load up even more. Even the big dogs, what they call themselves, smart money, people that invest in companies based off the fundamentals and how company is performing year over year, that's been proving themselves. Companies, big dogs, they usually invest in companies like that, but they selling off companies like that and investing in companies like AMC. Like we know the world's largest pension fund just purchased AMC, guys. So they got rid of Netflix, purchased AMC stock, and it's a lot. 15, 20 other institutions and pensions also loaded up on AMC as well, guys. They've been loading up since the start of this year. So they've been buying at different prices. But these in particular, they just got in at a very, very low point around the, $11, $12 range. So they most definitely will be able to see profit very quickly, because we know how AMC could easily run up, $10, $15 a share with ease from the prices currently sitting at. So we know we got a massive push to the upside that's incoming once we break 1250. We have went and retest $12.49 on Friday. That's that 1250, that main key level you need to be watching for. Because going into tomorrow, if we could maintain the high 11s, guys, we could easily get over 1250. That will come in the blink of an eye. Once it does so, this thing could move to $13, $14 quick, guys, and then it could run all the way back to 17, 18 pretty quick. That's $5, $6 on the share for the ones that got in at those very, very low prices. But for the ones that been in for a while now, of course, I know it's still draining, being for the fact that, you bought in at much higher prices, at 30, some at 22, some at 25, some at 40, some at 50. Some even got in at $65, $70 at the very, very top. And not here to, it don't matter where you got in at, guys. I always, just come up with a plan. I always have your plan and stick to it. And don't let nothing come between it, guys, because you can't just get in on something and not know where you're getting in at, particularly just buying because just buying for no reason, just buying because everybody else buying. You ain't really have no plan in place, and then selling because you looking to see when everybody else selling. You got to know where what best fits you and where you most comfortable at, where you want to get in, where you want to get out at, guys. Don't follow other people. That's a road for disaster. You can, see what other people is doing, check up on them, checking in, see what they're looking at. But like I say, if a certain stock in particular, when you ain't just speaking on AMC or GME, the ones what we doing as a movement, but other stocks outside of that, you need to make sure they check off all your boxes in your checklist before you put your hard-earned money on that stock, guys. So AMC is looking good going into tomorrow, though, guys. So as the overall market. Like I told you guys, one of the key signals that gave me a good indication that next week could be good is the fact that we ended off Friday on a good note. Usually when a lot of large investors, big time buyers, a lot of day traders, a lot of people is pulling money out of the market, not wanting to hold positions over the weekend. So instead, people is actually holding their position over the weekend on last week, being for the fact that the market is so cheap, dirt cheap. They don't want to miss the crazy movement that can happen going to Monday in the early after hours, while everybody else sleep or however they miss the crazy jump that could possibly happen, guys. So you already know that's why I believe a lot of people held their positions, and that also, you know, we got to pull back the last power hour of the day and recovered. And once we recovered, we even did better than the peak of the day prior to that pullback. So everything's lining up for the market to actually be going in a good direction. Like I told you guys, whether or not it's fully about to recover or not, you still need to take advantage, or I'm about to take advantage of the crazy spike that we're about to experience. Whether it sustain itself or not and hold up and go higher, whether it does that or not, you're still going to be able to make money, sell out, and then rebuy, repurchase, rinse and repeat, and do the same process. Buy at a cheaper price when it pull back after you sell, when it run up, and then buy back at a cheaper price, and, you know, sell off the next time when it run up, and also hold some for the long term, because you got such great companies at such a, you know, great price. So that's my perspective on it, guys. That's my take. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.